switch up and you got to shoot it out, yeah? East, west, north, south, get a shot from my phone and link just a call or the shot. Yo, I go on my day to I go on the world because you know you're better.
Oh, go on. I'll tell you what's going on. Live in your Kingston studio is about to get heavy. Busy, the people them said I'm ready. Oh, you mean? Want to send a big up right now. Shout out to Benga. Benga locked in right now. Original Sound War promoter in Moreland. And he is locked in and loving the vibe. The Carnival crew, Gigi and Dad. And Busy Signal is here. He's here. The boss is here. The people them ready for the boss. Hey, hey, hey. You look clean, nice, sweet, neat as ever. Just like a star. Your man no come in. Come in for the star. Come in for your boss. Come in for your boss. The boss is here, ladies and gentlemen. Busy Signal, I'm so happy that you're here, darling. I am so happy that you're here. I feel a special something, a presence in the studio. Yeah. When you walk in like that a while, it's like a epic entrance. Oh, you're so bossy. Oh, you're so bossy, man.
It's always a blessing.
And it's like always a blessing. It is a blessing. Wow, it's a blessing to have you here. Now let me just tell you, to the WhatsApp line, I go crazy, you know. Feel boss, yeah man, people from the 14 parishes, Berlin, Germany, yeah man, the people in China, Japan, see that? Yeah, you have that effect.
Oh my, it's a blessing, it's a blessing.
It is a blessing.
That's why, so it means that you, first of all, good evening to all the listeners out there, you know, people who are streaming, you know, everybody who are looking at us who are going. We are here. And you know the thing, I'm just so happy to be here, happy to be alive, you know.
Oh my God.
Thanks for life, yeah. And as me said earlier, me just give thanks. You know, the most I just make me as a light.
You are.
So we just shine on card.
Okay.
You know what I mean? When the most I move with, it's like a chess piece. The most I just move with like a chess piece, which is the best piece and a best piece.
Okay, this is Signal.
You know what I mean?
One of the most lyrical, and you just have it like that's a flow singing, natural conversation. But Busy, so the most I lead you here basically once you're called. So I have a feeling that there's a special light on this program here, the Real Rock Show, on Radio FM. Oh my God.
Glowing. Glow like you.
Oh my.
There's a glow.
Yeah, and you know, this is high profile, that special feature you reserve for you, big style. You know that. We're not saying the end but you know what you know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is a good feeling. And you've been in the game, you're a big star from about 2003, right? That's a little bit for 2005?
Yeah, well, we've been, because we've been doing the mixtape them from old. Yeah, you know, the cash money them time, the CD master, the black Chinese, them, you know, we dip on the CD them, the carry the Renaissance mix.
Oh my God.
And then the CD still American, mixtape still American them something. But yeah, we've been doing that, but in terms of professionally, been recording professionally since 2005.
Okay, I'm happy for that correction there and to know I'm one of the facts and the details about Busy Signal. One of my favorite artists, them nobody can bet.
No, a long time.
I'm just the best of the best.
A long time. We see you tell them.
Oh my God. I'm glad. Okay, alright. I'm glad that it's visible.
Yes.
Now, we want to drop some of your big song them for the people them, you know. So we have bad up the radio set speed.
I'm going to bring a few exclusive too.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we're going to play them and give me back.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to play them and give me back because now released till 23, you know.
Alright then. Happy to do that. Alright. So,
but we bring a couple of years because we flying and you know, we're in different parts of the world and we hear different stuff going on in our country, Jamaica. And the Jamaica, we love what we not sell out, or we love the movement, we love, you know, different indifferences is all over.
Yes.
And education is different type of parts and different situations and topics. But we can't stand the one where like some man, you know, harm or hurt or even kill the woman.
It's like a trend.
Yeah,
it's painful, it's scary.
Yeah, I'm from a woman and I respect women, I respect, come on, you can't mash up my life.
And it is so very important for an artist of your magnitude to give commentary on these things that you see very present and plaguing right now. So we just lose some nice, clean, pretty girl. And nice, clean, pretty or not, just women in general and violence that's plaguing the country.
Violence, you know what I mean? It's just ones and ones. if persons not see say, even if you never have on the unity thing before, I could know. If people not see say, like, you are the time to let's unite now, brother.
Yes.
Sister. I could, no.
Yes.
If you not see that, even over the pandemic, the past few years when this pandemic thing happened, if you not see say a unity right now more than ever, and prayers and then something, if you not see that, brother, I don't know what say that again.
Oh my God, and we're all connected, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's so important, and I'm glad you touched on that. You seem very passionate about it, though.
I am. You're extremely passionate about it because I grow a certain way.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I know one of them because Lego down the roadside. So,
Oh my God.
You know what I mean? I grow a certain way. You know what I mean? My mother, I was the other day because I big up my mother, happy birthday to my mom again, belated, but
okay. She's a Scorpio girl?
I call her, yes, she is the 9th.
Oh well, and my mom is the 8th.
Wow.
So it's like we have even a
look at my mom says, hey.
Oh my God, we connected! Hey.
Yeah man, so she had the 9th, you know, I call her, and my reason and everything, you know, she good.
Okay.
She the USA side, but it's like I grew up here which part. I'm so thankful to say this. Sometimes I say it burn some people because not everybody likes it that way. We understand. And everybody can say them parents is still together and still married. I can say that.
Oh my, that's really beautiful. I didn't know that.
Yeah,
well, my
born,
parents...
born in a wedlock.
Okay.
My born and I come see them married, they be together. My mother Christian, my father believe in the Most High and everything, but in a church at the beginning. But the band come see, you know, the band and that is there. And right now, we can still call my mother and my father now.
That's so cool.
Already evening.
So how long now has the marriage been? It's been what?
Before my band.
Before your band.
Yeah.
Okay.
My band come see that I'm there on the world a couple of decades now.
Okay.
So the band come see that. So it's like, you know, and not everybody can say some people separated, some people some people probably pass away, some people, you know, so it's a blessing to me. Each day we have to, it's like me is a living Thanksgiving.
You are.
Yeah, let us give extra thanks. Even like when I pray more time, yesterday I tell them I'm virgin, say more time I pray for my talent, separate from when I pray for my personals and my team and music and my musician and my band and ones on me.
Okay.
Just everybody on the whole to pray one separate prayer for the talent because it's not just typical.
It's not.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not.
No.
And you recognize that.
Yeah,
you give thanks. The versatility, the CJ vibes, the lyrical, the character like so you make your mouth. Don't laugh off of me, baby. But you know you have that vibe and electrifying. So when you do it, I won't know you for that. You just have to give it back. You understand? It's a blessing.
The whole thing. Like right now, at this morning, I tell my cousin, say, brother, if a person odd, because most things in life is about mathematics.
Okay, numbers don't lie.
Yeah, apart from the free flow and the free set of vibe, then you have some energy work off of free flow, like how me just attach off.
Oh yeah.
It just we not have to know say we just feel that.
I like how you said attach.
Yeah.
Stop it, guys.
Some of the things them we didn't feel them, but some of the things them is a mathematics. Now, in today or in whatever, if a person add to your life for a moment, add greatness to your life, or multiply greatness to your life, that means they are divided on subtract.
That is true.
Yeah.
I can't afford that
to
this time.
the drawing board, I have to go algebra, we have to go to some different things because we have to work it out, and if you are divide and I'm minus my thing, you have to cut it out.
That is true. Sometimes it's hard, but if you have to do it.
Sometimes I'm family member,
yourself.
This is just a fact. You know what I mean? This is just a fact. So it's just a level where it's just you know, the most I just say, you know, with what the good book say, with all I get wisdom and understanding. You know, when I move through life, you know, you have to kind of, there's no time for giddiness and foolishness and something. Everybody get them 24. Okay. What are you going to do with the 24 hours?
I want to ask you though, Busy, from you were a young boy growing up, you knew that you wanted to be a recording artist, a dancehall star, a musical star. This is what you were sure of, like from 5, 6, 7, or tell me.
After a while, but at first it was just a game. You know, we're not on the bench.
About what age you're not on bench?
Yeah, ever since I could remember. You know what I mean? And I'm not on the bench, them and not on the top of the desk. And You know, we are singing over the Papa San them or the Super Cat or the Bounty Killer them time, they are the Bean Man or the Ninja Man or, you know, the Shabba, we are singing over them song, the Buju Bantam them man. It was just fun.
Yes.
But now, I find that when we go to church, I see the microphone, I like what I want. When them have the little recession, the little break time, the recess, I find myself start touching the keyboard and start touching guitar and go, hey, go away from this one, look, move from, that little boy too, you know, same too, how you so touching?
Curious.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Them time that, like elders no one know me, you know, like you have some people who still alive where they there at church when my mother come Christmas. But I like them there, they find out so they can't shut my mouth and then tell us.
I wouldn't mind having them here.
From smart. Like they are running away from the drums, we are running away from touching the microphone. I know them now gonna pick them something like that.
Right.
You never know pick them might mash up something. It might drop and break, you know, you never know what might happen. So them always run away from something, no matter how they run me around on the road there again.
Yeah, it was calling you, it was magnetizing.
If you want them down, the community is growing us. So anybody who else can be anybody who
but not no, do I?
No.
we want to bring back the community parenting. We want to, because we need each other. And mommy and daddy can't do everything.
True.
But if you even try that, you know, who not gonna acid, who not gonna do this and
sometimes
right there.
This is some little clip with student and teacher and the situation.
Heartbreaking.
And then now we see what other situation, well, read about other situation where teachers don't get paid and I say, whoa.
Oh gosh.
It's
a lot of things. If we put certain things for our head, what would that happen to?
Right now, everybody in Jamaica, 99.9% of Jamaica suffer from mental illness and post-traumatic stress and ADHD
and that's because of
depression.
what though? Why is that? Because we're not close, we don't have the love in us? Is it because of certain type of music that coming out? Is it the internet or the movie them? What you think contribute to that high rate of mental illness that, as you say, touch on that topic? Because it's been a taboo topic for a long time. It's just now where I start trying to normalize conversations about mental illnesses and personality disorders and things that bother us. Depression, which is major.
Yeah, me mad. Me have every one of them on my
Okay.
ADHD, whatever that means, me have it.
And you put it into the music and the writing.
Yeah, me have mental, me have the what are they saying, them on the same.
You think so?
What are them?
You think they have all of that? So that you get trouble them business signal. You get trouble. You get trouble.
But me express it differently.
Okay.
Now, if everybody get a professional diagnosis like a psychiatric,
you got a psychiatric evaluation and you've been diagnosed.
You will have a man. Because you know what, as I asked a while, what you think might cause that, and the system causes. No music cannot cause that.
Oh.
None at all.
Okay.
No music, because if you say music causes, well, we have to look at the movie.
Okay.
The music is an audio.
Okay.
The movies is showing you. True. You have music, movies will show you up to make bang. You have music will show you, and movies will show you up to rap bang. You have movies will show you everything, showing you.
Okay.
Them two little man does sing two songs. Yeah, we can't. There's no country in the world that has ever blamed music for violence. None. First world country, enough more violence that keep up in the first world country than more than Jamaica. It's because Jamaica small, we hear about it so often because we small. But you have people walk and shoot up school in America. I never see that about it. You walk and see people because shoot up one whole club of people. Random. Walk up and kill picnic teacher.
They're definitely mentally
challenged. Nobody blame those people for listening to 50 Cent. Men, rich dead upon me, bloody mice. No. They are blaming none of the rapper them want rap.
There have been conversations and things said in circles in different parts, and there have been studies that actually show that music is one of the most influential forms of entertainment, even compared to video games and movies, which is still arguable. But
did you know what I'm not cutting? I'm gonna stab you. You're not gonna touch you. Did you know say the brother was the last shooting of everyone for the youth that shoot, like the youth that shoot, take up the right in matter, whatever, and go kill the people at the school. When them go back to go to the investigation and looking at you.
Which one is this? Overseas?
Overseas. The youth, he might play something like him and party.
Okay.
We do some call and go.
Okay. I don't know that game. Is that the one where you can interact with persons from all over the world?
Yes, you can. Plus, you can be your own.
Okay.
And yeah, and kill people and do the thing them.
Okay.
Excuse my language if anybody is scared of that word.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's a part of life. But how we using it now, we're good at it. So it has shown certain things on which part you would have clear. How are you into the game them, but they into and them something.
Okay.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, no one blame the creator of the game. No government, nowhere in the world, look up to places. No government, nowhere in the world blame music or game or
movies or anything like
no one was
that's
okay.
what you're
Well,
saying.
stop that game and pause it because we have to go lock down that theater there because them only show them have to show be a Christian movie. We have to show no one do that stupid.
Well, you know, I am of the impression, I'll say this honestly, that music being as influential as it is can spur negativity from a person and positivity. It can influence you because to how entertainers are admired by the youth especially and the a little bit older youth, I know some well young. Yeah, we're influenced by the young man. Young. Right, we're influenced by, and you know that sometimes persons when you're influenced by musicians and artists, that kind of put them on a what you call it, a pedestal. Yeah. And so sometimes when you have a reason with man and woman, them draw back for an example from a song. You know, you're busy say this. You know, you're busy say Jamaica, if you love your country, Jamaica. You know, you're busy say go for them or whatever, go where I go. And they do that. And I've experienced that.
That is out there. No problem with what you're saying, but how would we look at it if we start say, okay, because that's one point you're answering the point I'm clear. No, how would we look at the people that are work and get them honest bread and buy them whatever brand rum that is or whatever brand alcohol? If we stop selling alcohol because that one different influence.
That is true. And so
that makes you all unconscious.
So quickly.
Yeah. So so it kind of unfair to drop the hammer upon one thing.
Truly.
Not because me in music. You know what I mean? Me sing some adult content song. Me sing some with kids can enjoy. Me sing some with Christian can enjoy.
Yes, you do.
Now, if a person said, well, okay, why we have to lock off the music then? We understand when certain type of topic is extreme. Because nowadays, some topic is just monotonous and repetitive and extreme when it comes to the young and the youth.
Okay.
But all of them are saying they want it. Everybody want better laughs and you want chop.
Chippity.
Yeah, everybody want
yeah.
So it's called and make the man afloat.
Yeah.
It's just one topic for 9 million artists.
Okay.
We understand that. But at the end of the day, if we have a draw a serious line, we have to draw a line for movies, games, we have to draw a big line for alcohol.
Okay.
We have to draw one line.
And I agree. And they have, because you know the PG ratings on movies is a form of letting you know, well, it's literally letting you know what is appropriate and what isn't.
The ratings.
But right.
But when the people see them, how much is it?
Right.
Yeah.
But
and everybody have them food. So just like I said earlier, parents can't do everything. No.
Right.
So you at house, you at home children, you have any children?
I have 2 daughters, yes.
Wow.
I know it's hard to believe. Can you believe it? And they all look the same right now. They all like give me talk and them thing there. Can you believe that? One should have arrived today, but she went off the key club. Whoa. And I really wanted them to see busy signal. I want that Gabriel is locked in.
Then I can't get that 20 picture.
Yeah, I can't.
I'm big them up.
Oh yeah.
But I said also, you stay. So I said, okay, girls movie night. We're there watching things. You're gonna say, okay, no, we're not going to find this. But because you are there, you're in person there. But you just tell them, say, hey, no, but I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to read them. Because I'm movie over here, and then you have to run out for work, and you have to run out for supermarket, and you have to run out for errands.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And people have them phone out, they have access to the remote. And
they have
you have some remote where them can ban certain things that them can keep. Where would I put, you can put a blurb on certain things that you can.
They have
you
all
have
of
those, but not in all cases. Now,
okay.
I'm sure these kids is not cave kids. Them are going to go on our friend yard. Them are going down the road. Them are going to go to school. Them are going to hey. You know what, you can only do so much.
That is true. And you're a father as well, right? How much do you take it, Sorry, passing your business, but one no, you know, people them want watch your WhatsApp line, watch Angie them, and Nancy Paul and Maxine, watch them, they want to know too. Yes, be the signal, they want to know how much children your father did.
A couple of them.
A couple of them.
I was still a father. We are a father of kids where are not like biologically not my child or my children, but we still father. Older than people. Not a father figure to people older than me.
Okay, and that's fine.
Yeah, man. So it's like if we start moving now, me and a father Abraham, but my father signal.
You are father signal, real busy. But how would you describe your parenting approach as well?
My parenting approach, I kind of, remember it like soldier camp.
Seriously, you do?
Yeah.
You're not that cool dad? Oh my God, your dad is big signal. He's a cool dad.
Not every day.
Not every day.
Yeah,
Okay.
because there's a time and place for everything. So most of the time, because as they say, every day at Christmas. Yeah.
Okay.
So you have no fitting yourself in line. Yeah. Fitting yourself in line. And today, another something. Yeah. You don't come like when we're small and we're mad and say, okay, well, 2 days this week or 2 days out of this week, we'll go Cersei tea and crackers and butter. That's going to be the breakfast. And apple juice.
Okay.
And she started growing with bed. Our pizza switch. And we don't like it, but yeah. 2 days out of the week, we're gonna, you know what I mean? So you have a time and place switch. But yeah, and I'm so happy that me used to drink them Cersei because when we come absent, I want them something good flu, not because it's bitter. Like, no kids not go like Cersei, no kids not go like lettuce or certain vegetables, no kids that maybe if you can count the amount of kids in the world why you want to accept certain things. Like, me have a virgin and his son love drink water.
Oh,
good.
good.
What you say?
That's good.
The man said, me go check him up on the yard. And food I eat, I never ask or nothing. I just see it for myself. Have you come in him? The little youth.
Yes.
Have you
That's
come in him?
good. That's good.
Yeah, put on one little piece of money and say, alright, make sure say you put on and feed some money. I can't tell you with the name on it. But attach with you, yeah, just make it know that you know now. Make it know say one friend did something, yeah.
Okay.
Because them something
Nice.
you see like very rare, you see certain things. So it's like sometimes we run it like soldier camp and next time we just observe.
Okay.
We just observe. Because in our time, like back in the days when the parents then monitor we like me couldn't jump up even when me become like 10, 11 years old and I go, me can't jump up and tell my mother, mommy, you know what, I think we should additional I'm trying to music, give me a music stuff. The man. The music you can't learn but it's music. I'm cut on craft. Walk up and down and bun weed. Walk up and down and this and that and my mother Christian, she look on it like music.
I love your mom. I've never met her, but I love her.
Yeah.
I love your father too.
Yeah.
I them create you. So, you know,
Yeah, and Headley, big up on yourself when you're on the day.
Yeah, big up
He's
mommy
a
and
Headley.
daddy.
Yeah.
No, very important.
So it's like, you know, them time them you can't tell my mother them say, when you say, I want to do music or I want this, that, you know, say, one college up to say name Edna Manley and I want that can't say in another house.
Okay.
Yeah, man. What's English and social studies, man?
What?
Them something I need to put